Alright guys, so if you're seeing this little red icon in VirtualBox and it says something like runtime error, opening path not found, or inaccessible, don't panic. This basically means VirtualBox lost the location of your VM. It can't find the vbox file or the VM folder anymore. And honestly, this usually happens because we moved the folder by mistake. Maybe you changed the drive, renamed the folder, or copied stuff around, and now VirtualBox has no idea where your machine went. So let me show you the easy fix. In my case, the error clearly shows the original path. It says the machine was inside Dravel and the folder name was Kali. So now what I need to do is super simple, just search on your PC for that Kali folder. Wherever it is, maybe on desktop, maybe in downloads, just move it back to the original location, which is drive L. Inside that folder, you're gonna see the file Kali box. As soon as the folder is back in the right place, VirtualBox will find it automatically, and boom. The red icon disappears, the error is gone, and your machine becomes normal again. No more inaccessible. No more VR paid not for ND. That's literally all you have to do. Super easy fix, and you can start your VM right away.